Let's talk, though, about stock trading by members of Congress, because it's been under scrutiny all this year and is getting some more scrutiny now. A new filing from House Speaker Nancy Pelosi showing a purchase by her husband last month of 20,000 shares of NVIDIA worth between $1 and $5 million. This is especially noteworthy since Congress has been debating billions of dollars in support for the U.S. chip industry. CNBC has reached out to Speaker Pelosi's office on this, and here to talk more about it is former SEC Chairman and CNBC contributor Jay Clayton, is also Apollo's lead independent director. Jay, we talked about this. It's ad nauseum. Why is this allowed to happen? And doesn't it just undermine the credibility of Congress and our elected officials?
Yes, and look, this is a recurring issue. It comes in the spring. We talked about it. There were a flurry of proposals in Congress to address it. But really nothing has changed in the last decade since the Stock Act. And I think that there's a general sense that there's a need for improvement here. One of the problems, though, is that when the issue arises, the proposed solutions are very blunt, like an outright ban on stock holding or stock trading. That's not practical or workable when you have spouses, you have people who've had careers and the like. But there is a lot that we can learn from the executive branch restrictions, the private sector, the types of restrictions that you at CNBC have in designing an improved program. The room for improvement here is large, but it doesn't involve an outright ban on stock trading.
Someone said to me, why hasn't Congress moved on this? And then I say, why hasn't Congress moved on it? Look who's in charge of the House, right?
Look, I think this is one of those things where a sensible bill, a sensible coalition can get together. Why there's intransigence in Congress around something that's fairly obvious, this is just one of many examples where that's true.
Do you think that Nancy Pelosi should recuse herself completely from negotiating, voting on, and participating in any conversation around the CHIPS Act?
Look, Andrew, I don't think that you're going to have a single person solution to this issue. So I'm not going to advocate.
No, this isn't a single person solution. This is to say that, in situations where these things take place, whether the spouse should recuse himself or not.
Yeah, look, I think you can handle this issue without causing recusal in cases. We don't want our elected officials, particularly leadership, to be absent from debate. That said, you can do things like window periods. You can do things like Jay Powell just introduced at the Fed, where you have delayed execution on trades. I make my investment decision, and 10, 20, 30 days later, it gets executed so that I'm not trying to market time or time a bill. There are all sorts of things that you can do, but it does require planning and some restrictions.